Today's video is going to be a lunch container haul. A company by the name of Elle reached out to me and they asked me if I would review their products for them, and I told them sure. I love this company. One of the main reasons why I love this company is because of the variety of things that they offer and at an affordable price and really good stuff. I'm not just saying that because I got the stuff for free, but I'm just saying it's really good stuff. The first thing that they sent me is this lunch bag, and I love this lunch bag because of the fact that you can fit a small yum box in here at the very bottom, and also you can fit more stuff up in here. So I don't know about y'all, but when I fix lunch for my children, I was having a hard time because if I was to send my kindergartner to school with just a yum box and a snack container, his other lunch bag, which was like square like this, couldn't fit anything else on the top. It would be a struggle to close it up. But with this bag, you have this compartment up here that you can stick whatever else you have, whatever else configuration that you have, you can stick here. So you can stick hot stuff here or cold stuff here and put hot stuff here. So I like that. It comes with a little handle right here that you can, your child could carry it, and it also comes with a strap that you can put right here, and your younger child could carry it that way. Even older kids could carry it that way. They only offer one color, which is this color right here. On the back right here, it has a little plastic thing where you can put your child's school ID in just in case, and it has this little compartment right here where you can stick an ice pack. And they did send me ice packs, so you can get everything that you will need for your child's back to school. So this is a 4-pack, and it comes with 4 little tiny, not tiny, but 4 compact or slim ice pack. So you would put this in the freezer. See how thin that is? Like really thin. So you stick that in the freezer, and you could put it here. So you could stick it here in this pocket right here, or you can stick it on the inside. You can stick it in the inside and put the child's food on it, or you can stick it here in the lower part, the lower section, and have it keep your child's food cold. So I love this. I love this lunch bag. I like this lunch bag. Always like this lunch bag. The design of it. I've always liked the design of it. So this is what it looks like. So you just zip it up. And I like the insulation. Sorry, my toddler's around. I like the insulation, so you can keep hot food hot and cold food cold. So yeah, this is the bag. It's nice and big. Another thing that they sent me is, and it comes in blue and it comes in pink. So this is what the pink one looks like. It comes with a little rubber an elastic band to keep everything in place. It has a little seal right here. You would just pull this and then take this off. On the inside, it has a little compact spoon and fork that come out like that, and then you just pull and like that. So I like these because if your child uses this during the day, they can put the dirty stuff back and cover it, and it's not messing up their lunch bag. It also comes with a little dipper right here, and I am a sucker for a small container. So it comes with a little dipper like that, and this is what it looks like. And then on the inside, it looks like that, or you can use this to divide it, like so. You can make it as small as you want or as big as you want. So I'm excited to incorporate these into our lunch routine, so you guys will be seeing a lot more of these containers. And the blue one is the same, you know, the same design and stuff like that. So that's what that looks like. And of course they send me one for each child, so thank you so much to Elle if I didn't say their name. They also sent me the ice pack. So I showed you guys the ice pack earlier, and it's just a pack of 4. It's just a pack of 4. I showed you guys the blue one earlier, and they're really thin, super thin, and I like these because they're so compact. They also sent me reusable sandwich bag. So this is what the sandwich bags look like. And they also sent me a reusable snack bag. These two come together. It's a set. On the inside it's Velcro. So you take it off like that. And it's really good Velcro. Like, it's not flimsy or anything. And then on the inside it has this plastic material that you can wipe clean. And you can wash these. You can hand wash these and let them dry. Don't put them in the dryer. And then this is what the snack looks like. And then on the inside, it just looks like that. I love the colors of these. I just think they're so pretty. And this is what the whole thing looks like together, and I really like that. Last but not least, they sent me a thermos. I love this thermos. I'm gonna tell you guys why I love this thermos. My other thermos, when you open it, the lid is like this part right here is really close to this little lip right here, so it's kind of hard to clean it because the food gets stuck. But with this lid right here, you can put a little brush right here and clean that, and you can take this little thing off. It comes off so easy, and you can clean the whole thing and put it back together. And I just love the design of the cover. Just as a mother with young children, I'm always like fearful that, you know, their containers are gonna get mold and they're gonna get sick and stuff like that. So I love the design of just the lid because you can easily clean that. Like, look at that. And you can easily put this back on so that when you take it off to clean your child's food, you're not struggling to get that little seal back on. And then this is what the inside of it looked like. The color is beautiful. I love this color. This could be a boy, a girl. It's just simple. And that's the name of the company. I'm gonna have a coupon code for 20% off for you guys. and I'm excited for you guys to give this company a try. They are very, 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 and I emphasize, very affordable. The only reason why I accepted this offer is because of the affordability, and you guys know how much I like things to be affordable for other moms, because I don't like to push things in your face and be like, hey, go try this out, knowing you can't afford it. So I love that this is affordable. You can get every single thing here that I have for a fraction of what I pay for my other boxes, and not including lunch bags, not including ice packs. So they carry a variety of things. They also, I believe they also offer the bento box accessory. I saw that on there. So you can get the little tiny little cutter things, and you can get, you know, picks and stuff like that. So you can get everything in one spot. You're welcome. So you guys can get everything that you want to prepare lunch for your children this school year. And you get, like I said, I'm going to leave the coupon code down below. And I'm also going to leave a link down below where you can click on that and go shopping straight from this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.